If you're watching this video, like and subscribe to Just the Chords for all of our scale and chord tutorial videos. Today we're talking about E. E major. We have 4 sharps: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp. We'll look at this scale first in the right hand, then the left hand, and then both hands. I'll start on E in the right hand, first time with letter names, and then with fingering numbers. Here I go. E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. Bring it back down. G sharp, F sharp, E. Again with fingering numbers, the thumb being 1, I go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. In the left hand, first with letters: E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. B, A, G sharp, F sharp, E. Again with fingering numbers, pinky is a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now very slowly in both hands, remembering that they'll flip at different times. Starting on E, go. Starting on E, go. Back down, switch, switch. Go through this again for more practice, I encourage it, and then come back and play on to our next scale video.